I'm Miss Megan from the Anderson Branch, and I'm going to share a literacy tip with you today. Children learn best through all of their senses, not just seeing and hearing, but also touching, smelling, and tasting. One fun activity you can do is to make shapes and letters with Play-Doh. Manipulating Play-Doh will help them to develop their fine motor skills as well as to help with letter knowledge. Look, I made an M for Miss Megan. If you don't have Play-Doh at home, check out our comments section for a simple recipe to make your own Play-Doh. Thank you for watching today. For more literacy tips, check out our YouTube channel.